wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Today is part 2 of learning a holiday song. And this is, well, I guess it's more of a Christmas song, but it's one that I really like because it sounds so peaceful. It's called Oh Christmas Tree. Shall we go through the lyrics and learn the words first? Here we go. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through the snows of winter time. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me, when oft as joyous Christmas time, your form inspires my song and rhyme. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson, that constant faith and hope sublime lend strength and comfort through all time. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson. Wow! This is a strong song about faith and hope. I guess that's why I like it so much, because it gives me faith and hope of a world of peace and understanding and living better together. That's something we can all use nowadays. So, now that we know the lyrics, should we go and check in with Noah and Olivia and see how they're practicing it? Let's check with them.
It's a Christmas tree.
There is a Christmas tree.
Yeah. Oh, Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, oh, Christmas tree. Oh,
Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's my favorite song.
Is it your favorite song?
It is.
Whoa.
Yeah, I love this
Wow.
song because it's so... Oh, actually,
That's
there's
very
another
nice.
Christmas song that I really like too.
What's that one?
Santa Claus is coming
to town.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
that
then
one's
there's
really
another
good.
one that I like.
What's that one?
Silent Night.
Oh.
Yeah, and then Oh Christmas Tree.
Silent night. Holy night. All is calm. All is bright. Round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, tender and mild. Oh, but we're getting off track.
Yeah. Today
Hi,
we're gonna
kids.
sing Oh Christmas
Yeah.
Tree.
If you guys didn't guess, this is our sing-along.
Yes.
And we're doing Oh Christmas Tree because... Oh, Christmas tree! Yeah.
Okay.
That's great.
I'm excited about this
Me
one.
too.
I really like this one.
Yeah, you seem very, very,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
excited.
yeah.
Yay! All right, should we sing it?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
1.
Oh, should we first tune ourselves in one?
Oh, yes, please. Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, very nice. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's climb. Can you, how does that? Your boughs are green in summer's climb. Is that it?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
it. You got it.
Okay.
Okay. Should we do that again?
Yeah, this one is a really good one to work on your high register, kids.
Yeah, it is.
By register, I mean
yeah,
high,
what is register?
Yeah, high notes. So, like your voice, you have a register, like the notes that you normally hit. Yeah, la 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 la. Yeah, and
so your high notes.
Yeah, my high notes. Okay.
Yep, my high
like
notes
the
too. La,
climb. Okay.
Oh, you want to know an interesting trick?
What?
If you have a high note,
Yeah.
and you think about singing just barely above that note, it makes it easier to hit that note.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can even picture it in your head. Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
So
yep.
I just picture it in my head and then
Yep. Just like that.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a good trick for you kids out
Yeah,
there.
yeah. I
Okay.
hope you guys enjoy that.
Okay.
Hopefully it helps. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
not too fast.
Oh.
Just a little bit slower.
Okay,
this
a
is
little
like
slow.
this is us to come quiet and enjoy the time and be all peaceful and be like and enjoy our cococino. And it's like yeah, exactly. Okay.
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 Okay. Shh. Okay. Shh. Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through the snows of winter time. Oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me, when oft at joyous Christmas time, your form inspires my song and rhyme. Oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me. Oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson. Let constant faith and hope sublime lend strength and comfort through all time. Oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson. Aww. Wow, that's so nice.
That's so nice. I feel like we should... Thank you, Christmas tree.
Yeah, thank you, Christmas tree. Thanks for being in our home and for putting a smile on our face and for being the decoration in our house.
Yeah, being first so pretty and sparkly and letting us hang ornaments on you. It's very nice.
Yep.
Noah and Olivia did a pretty good job. I think we can now try it with some music. Shall we do that?
Oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through the snows of winter time. Oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me. Oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me. When after joyous Christmas time, your form inspires my song and rhyme. Oh, Christmas tree, what happiness befalls me. Oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson. Oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson. That constant faith and hope sublime lend strength and comfort through all time. Oh, Christmas tree, your boughs can teach a lesson.
Isn't it such a beautiful song? I really love it. Now, let's sing it all together. You Me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, how steadfast are your branches. Your boughs are green in summer's clime, and through snows of winter time. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!